Good morning, students. Today I will start chapter number 5, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. First of all, define Microsoft PowerPoint or write short notes on Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a component of Microsoft Office suite. It enables you to make effective and appealing presentation by adding text, diagrams, scanned images, clip arts, sound, colors, designs, and animated special effects. Second points, presentation. What is presentation or define presentation? Presentation is made up of a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner to entertain, motivate, convey, persuade, or impart information. Second, slide. A slide is like a page in a presentation that displays a brief information you want to communicate with your audience. These slides are grouped together in a sequence to form a slideshow. Write short notes on slideshow or define slideshow. A slideshow is a presentation of a series of slides on a projection screen or electronic display device displayed in sequence. Some important points related to Microsoft PowerPoint. First of all, Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful communication tool used to present our views and ideas effectively through visual aids. It is widely used in the business world and also in school to teach different topics. It helps in providing a better understanding of the subject. Second important point related to Microsoft PowerPoint, we can easily import data from Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc. into a PowerPoint presentation. In PowerPoint 2010, we can also insert videos from websites through the internet using copy or paste. Next point, we can generate handout material and speakers notes after creating a presentation. Last point related to Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 gives us the ability to upload our presentation using the free PowerPoint broadcast service. Next point, how we will start Microsoft PowerPoint. Start all programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. I hope you will read some important points related to this chapter. Thank you.